The OptiMate Solar 20-watt travel kit contains all the necessary components to maintain the battery of your parked car or pickup truck. The O-37 OBD2 adapter allows battery maintenance via the OBD2 port located below the steering wheel of every modern vehicle. This port is used during vehicle service. The battery is wired directly to the port, making it ideal for battery maintenance. Position the solar panel on the inside of the windshield. A drop of water inside the cup helps it to remain on the windshield. Then, connect the plug to the OBD2 port. Battery charging and maintenance starts automatically. The controller accurately regulates charging to provide safe, long-term battery maintenance. And at night, the controller indicates battery health. And that's it. A healthy battery whenever you need your vehicle. OptiMate Solar, keeping your battery in shape.